How to use promo codes on Temu. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to use promotional codes or discount codes on Temu. First thing you have to do is head over to temu.com or open up the app directly. Then you're going to have to add items to your cart. So I already have an item on my cart. I can tap on the cart icon at the top right and then proceed to checkout. Once you are on the checkout page, you are going to have to enter your shipping address, then your payment method, and finally here, if you scroll down, if you have any options for discount cards or coupons, you can enter that on the checkout page. If not, you can just go ahead and tap on the profile icon or go to the U tab on the app and then tap on coupons and offers. Then you can enter the coupon code here. Simply enter the code, and if it's valid, tap on apply, and you should be able to use the coupon code while you check out. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.